Today, we are joined by Reverend Dr. Vivian Lobo, a visionary education leader, reformer, and principal of St. Francis de Sales School of Excellence. बहुत बहुत स्वागत है सर आपका यूसीएन स्टूडियो में.
Thank you, Ankit. I'm really honored. SFS School of Excellence is trying its best to ensure international education is imparted and is accessible to all masses. Learning has to be a celebration. एक उत्सव बन के रहना चाहिए. सीखना जो है वो एक उत्सव बन के रहना चाहिए.
So what makes SFS different from other institutions, if I ask?
I think this is really a very important question in the whole podcast. If you can remember, your motto of your school was Dare to be wise. Yes, so it's rooted in you. बहुत सारे international bodies और forums हैं जिनके साथ SFS School of Excellence अभी associated. For example, in this city, I think we are among one or two schools that are associated and affiliated to TISI, the Association of International Schools of India. तो ये सारी चीज़ें मुझे ड्राइव करती है. मेरा जो बुलाहट है, कॉल है, वो मुझे ड्राइव करता है कि मैं चलता ही जाऊँ. मुसाफिर हूँ, ना घर है ना ठिकाना, बस मुझे चलते जाना है.
हेलो, नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल. मैं अंकित अग्रवाल आपका एक बार फिर स्वागत करता हूँ यूसीएन की एक और पॉडकास्ट की कड़ी में. और आज की कड़ी बहुत ख़ास होने वाली है, बहुत अलग होने वाली है, कॉज दिस इज़ आवर फर्स्ट एजुकेशन रिलेटेड पॉडकास्ट. और एजुकेशन इंडस्ट्री में इतने सारे चेंजेस आ रहे हैं, टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांसमेंट्स हो रहे हैं, एआई का इनकलकेशन हो रहा है, इंटरनेशनल लेवल एजुकेशन जो है वो इनकलकेट हो रहा है सबके स्टूडेंट्स के एकेडमिक्स में, उनके ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट में. सो व्हाई नॉट बुलाया जाए हमारी नागपुर की एक बहुत जानी मानी स्कूल जिसकी लेगेसी 155 साल से भी ज़्यादा की है, जहाँ का मैं खुद एक स्टूडेंट रह चुका हूँ, जहाँ का मैं एलुमनाई हूँ. डेफिनेटली एसएफएस स्कूल ऑफ एक्सेलेंस, जो कि एक सिस्टर है एसएफएस सदर स्कूल की जो है, और अभी रिसेंटली काफ़ी ज़्यादा ग्रो कर रही है, काफ़ी ज़्यादा डेवलपमेंट हो रहे हैं. इस बारे में आज हम जानेंगे. टुडे वी आर जॉइंड बाय Reverend Dr. Vivian Lobo, a visionary education leader, reformer, and principal of St. Francis de Sales School of Excellence. He is renowned for transforming schools through the national education policy and integrating international curriculum to prepare students for a global future. Dr. Lobo's leadership has earned numerous national and international honors, including the Best Principal Awards from the Science Olympiad Foundation and Indian Talent Olympiad, the International Eminence Award, and the Sustainability Leader by HarperCollins. He even coached India's bronze winning team at World Mental Maths Championship in Malaysia. With a PhD in English and MBA and decades of experience in education reform, Dr. Lobo continues to inspire educators and students alike through his work in policy, leadership, and holistic learning. Please welcome Reverend Dr. Vivian Lobo. बहुत बहुत स्वागत है सर आपका यूसीएन स्टूडियो में.
थैंक यू अंकित. आई एम रियली ऑनर्ड कि यूसीएन ने हमें इस काबिल समझा कि हमने जो प्रयास किए अभी तक from the international point of view, there are so many schools, they're all doing well, but SFS School of Excellence is trying its best to ensure international education is imparted and is accessible to all masses. और उसका सारा का सारा श्रेय और क्रेडिट हमारे जो चेयरमैन हैं, Archbishop Elias Gonzalez, Archbishop of Nagpur, and he's also the chairman of all the SFS group of school entities. So it's his brainchild that he has started this entire program from KG to PG in the campus of Seminary Hills, where SFS School of Excellence is located. So the credit goes to him, and under his able leadership, we're all there ensuring that we become great caretakers. And he's also a national head of the educators.
Okay.
So so he has creative ideas, and his brainchild that SFS School of Excellence is striving its best to ensure that in Nagpur, international education stands out.
That's great. That's great. Usually SFS group of schools overall, talking about SFS group of schools, mostly they don't involve into media. They don't get involved into any promotional stuff. So what is the reason you came here? You accepted our invitation for this podcast.
Of course, there was a time we felt that action speaks louder than words. And so far we were only into action. We were never using words. So nowadays it is always good. Like there's a lot of digital, outreach programs all over. So why not talk about all the good achievements and also the creative programs that we have, and we've been, a brand for last 155 years, and yet we've never indulged ourselves into branding.
Yes.
And here we are talking about all, of course, it's not branding, but it's certainly talking about inviting people and making them aware that, yes, we stand still for those quality education for which we have strived for last 155 years.
दैट्स ग्रेट। आपसे तो मैं ये जानना चाहूँगा कि more than 2 decades you have been into education, so how the time has changed, कितना आपको बदलाव देखने मिला है आपके to overall journey में?
So, yeah, for me, when I see, I am in the middle because I am not very old, neither I am too young. So, as an educationist, it's an honor to be somewhere in the middle. और हमारे कंट्री के सारे मेजर रिलीजन्स मिडिल पाथ लेने की ही बात करते हैं. So, I am right enough, and I am here taking the middle path, representing ट्रेडिशन एंड मॉडर्निटी. ये दो एस्पेक्ट्स बहुत ज़रूरी होते हैं. हम अपनी परंपराओं को भी ध्यान में रखना चाहिए, साथ ही साथ अपने आप को अपस्किल भी करना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
सो टॉकिंग अबाउट द चेंज, जो आप बात कर रहे हैं कि व्हाट चेंजेस हैव कम इन एजुकेशन. when we were learning, when we were in school, when I look back, there were only two quotients that the academic focused primarily on. One was the IQ, your intelligent quotient, and the other was spiritual quotient. तो ये दो चीज़ें अगर होती थी तो सारी चीज़ें मतलब केटर हो जाती थी. तो पेरेंट्स ये दो चीज़ों से बहुत खुश रहते थे. बट टाइम्स हैव चेंज्ड नाउ. When children come to school, it is not about just learning. Learning has to be a celebration. एक उत्सव बन के रहना चाहिए. सीखना जो है वो एक उत्सव बन के रहना चाहिए. और वही प्रयास, चाहे वो NEP हो, NCF हो, इंटरनेशनल एजुकेशन दैट वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग SFS स्कूल ऑफ एक्सीलेंस, एवरीथिंग इज गियर टुवर्ड्स दैट कि लर्निंग हैज़ टू बी अ सेलिब्रेशन. तो उसमें दो डायमेंशंस और ऐड हुए हैं. एक क्रिएटिव कोशेंट, जिसके बारे में पहले बात नहीं की जाती थी, और जो चौथा है वो अडेप्टेबिलिटी कोशेंट. एडेप्टिव कोशेंट मीन्स ये चारों कोशेंट्स को आज बहुत स्ट्रेस दिया जाता है. बच्चों में ये चारों कोशेंट्स होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Because times have changed, and it's ever changing. It's not just change, but it's ever changing. Keeping that in mind, ये चारों quotients आए हैं एजुकेशन में. So ये एक बदलाव देखने को मिला है, and that learning has to be a celebration. So it has evolved, and it's going on evolving. तो evolve हो ही रहा है.
And SFS has been more than 150 years of legacy in the whole India. And luckily I have been a part of that as well. I have been a student of SFS Sadar. So काफ़ी सेलिब्रिटीज़, और ये चारों क्वेश्चंस की जो आपने बात की है, ये सारे शुरू से ही इनकलकेटेड है हमारे स्कूल के जितने भी करिकुलम है उसमें. There are many celebrities who are into media, who are into sports, who are into politics, who are into governmental organizations. Many names. Rajkumar Hirani, as we can say.
Yeah.
So how do you feel about that? What are your views on that?
Well, representing SFS group of schools, I feel honored. क्योंकि last 155 years में हमने जो काम किया है, मतलब it was kind of a role of a facilitator.
Yes.
हम तो केयर टेकर्स हैं एजुकेशन के. वी आर नॉट दी ओनर्स, इट्स जस्ट दैट वी आर केयर टेकर्स. वो एक जिम्मेदारी का एहसास और आभास SFS ग्रुप ऑफ स्कूल्स में है. तो हमारी जो मैनेजमेंट है वो इस बात का हमें हमेशा आभास कराते रहती है. सो दैट इज़ वाई वी हैव केप्ट दी ऑप्शन ओपन फॉर, लाइक हमारा जो फॉर्मेशन है स्टूडेंट सेंट्रिक है, और वो शुरू से रहा है. ऑफ कोर्स पहले तो जैसे मैंने कहा कि दो क्वेश्चंस को एक्सक्लूसिवली ध्यान में रखा जाता था, बट एट द सेम टाइम वो बाकी के जो दो क्वेश्चंस थे, आप खुद एल्यूमिनाई हैं SFS ग्रुप ऑफ स्कूल के, सदर से आप पास आउट हैं, एंड आई एम सो ऑनर्ड कि आप मेरा इंटरव्यू ले रहे हैं.
And I am also same here. I am also very honored.
Yeah, so like you see, so we are so happy, that we are sharing the same platform and talking about the same institution that we are both connected with.
Yes.
So we kept these options open for our students from the beginning, and we continue to do so. But this time we have evolved. We have to evolve. So we are evolving and ensuring that we provide a diverse range of platforms to our students, so that उनके लिए learning हमेशा एक celebration बनकर रहे.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल स्टूडेंट्स की बात तो आपने की बट along with the students generation parents generation is also changing. Previously parents were a more stricter on the stricter side. They used to focus on more academics and disciplining the students, their kids, and now they are mostly diverted to more of a overall development, not just academics but sports and everything. So what are the changes you are seeing in the parents from your time?
Well, there's a great change. Earlier, the parents, completely trusted the the school.
Institution, yes.
Not that they don't trust now. They do trust now as well. But then the trust element is monitored.
Okay.
We can't say it is negated, but it's monitored. पहले वो मॉनिटर नहीं किया जाता था. बच्चों को एक बार स्कूल में भेज दिया, वो पूरी की पूरी जिम्मेदारी स्कूल की होती थी, टीचर्स की होती थी. पर अभी times have changed, it has evolved. So parents are well learned, and they know and they want to know every aspect of the growth of their child. So they keep questioning certain things. But one thing that I see a great change is, which could be also a little suggestion through this platform to all our parents, that they should not amplify their expectations or their unfulfilled expectations on the children.
Yeah,
पहले ऐसा नहीं होता था. पहले parents, they just submitted their kids to the institution, and with the help and the aid of the institution, the child evolved and then became a tree of different variety and different kind. These times, parents want the children to be groomed in a particular way so that जो वो नहीं कर पाए उनके बच्चे करना चाहिए. तो वो एक डेंजर थोड़ा सा हो जाता है आजकल. तो आई थिंक द पेरेंट्स शुड अलाउ द चिल्ड्रन टू ब्लूम द वे दे शुड बी ब्लूम, बिकॉज हर बच्चे में एक यूनिक पोटेंशियल होता है, और वो पोटेंशियल को हमको ध्यान में रखना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल. एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट चेंजिंग टाइम्स एंड एजुकेशन का फ्यूचर की अगर बात करें विद द राइज ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी एंड एआई, तो आगे आने वाले जो दशक रहेंगे, आने वाले डेकेड्स रहेंगे, उसमें आप फ्यूचर क्या देखते हैं एजुकेशन का?
वेल, रिसेंटली शायद 3 दिन पहले मैं एक वेबिनार में था, एंड दिस फोरम इज कॉल्ड प्लैनेट फ्रेटर्निटी. SFS group, SFS School of Excellence, and also our group of schools are associated with this. So their headquarters is in Rome, and we are really lucky to be associated with such a premier fraternity. So we had good educators there जो वहाँ पर बैठे थे, और उसमें कुछ experts भी थे AI के, robotics के, coding के, and they were all giving their point of view. But सबों ने ये चीज़ बोली कि just because we have AI today, that doesn't mean कि teacher has to be replaced.
Yes,
So
that is a great
it's like there is such a lot of noise, such a lot of informative bodies available around students. They don't know what is best for them. So teachers are the true facilitators जो बच्चों को मदद करते हैं कि आप के लिए क्या बेस्ट है. So teachers can never be replaced.
Yes, yes,
So there is this little threat or a kind of a thing going on around the globe कि शायद teachers बचेंगे ही नहीं. But ऐसा नहीं है.
AI will replace teachers.
Yeah,
That's
they,
not possible. A
it
humane
can
touch.
never happen. So teachers are there. Teachers will always be there. So this is one of the things. So
Mostly now I feel the teachers, since the information is available on the internet with AI to everyone, to each and every student, they are so much surrounded by information. Previously teachers were the information provider. They were the only people with whom we can ask, we can question them.
they were the only reference
Reference
bodies.
points, yes. And now they have become more of a mentor, more of a guide. Don't you think so?
Indeed, mentor is a very good word. It's a very holistic word, in fact, because it's one-on-one.
Yeah.
So they just don't have to be informative bodies. They have to be relational bodies. There has to be a relationship that has to be maintained. And that's what a new education policy talks about. It talks about that all the stakeholders, child is at the center, whether parents or teachers or management or the other higher educational institutions, they all have to facilitate and build a bond and relationship. So that is very essential. So they are yes, they have become mentors.
Yeah. So, what skills and values do you think should be inculcated in today's curriculum for children so that the uncertain future should not harm them, their growth?
Well, it sounds to be a little cliched, but I don't think. But I think I should definitely address on this topic. It's love. The core of everything is love.
Love, actually.
So the child should love and be lovable. It should be either ways. So the education system should help child to be loving and also lovable. So these two aspects has to be there in a child.
Yeah, that love cannot be taught by AI and technology.
Yes.
Yes, that is the only humane part left. Yes. So, how can education balance academic excellence with emotional and social development as well, both?
Yeah, as I said, I just
Yes.
spoke to you, and I think we are going in a very right direction in India, especially because I'm a very strong promoter of NEP, New Education Policy, and for which we are also awarded at the national platform. There are two prestigious national bodies that identified us and said, yes, you all are really working hard on NEP. So माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का जो फोकस है उसको हमने पूरा ध्यान में रखा है, और ये न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी इन चारों डायमेंशंस के बारे में बात करती है, IQ, EQ, SQ, AQ. सो ये सारे जो क्वेश्चंस हैं एजुकेशन में होने चाहिए,
बिल्कुल.
और अगर ये होते हैं तो एजुकेशन सिस्टम की ब्यूटी अलग ही बन जाए, निखर के आएगी.
डेफिनेटली, वो तो है. लेकिन सभी एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन, ओवरऑल एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूशन की अगर मैं बात करूं तो कौन कौन सी चीज़ें अपनानी चाहिए विद द ग्रोइंग टाइम्स कि every student should feel heard, every student should feel motivated for learning and for development of his own.
देखिए आजकल बहुत सारे सोशल टूल्स हैं अवेलेबल हैं जो हमें मतलब हर इंस्टीट्यूशन की मदद करते हैं रेलिवेंट रहने के लिए. सो देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड स्मार्ट गोल्स. No, one has to be specific, one has to be measurable, one has to be adaptable and time bound. So ये कुछ terminologies हैं जो हर इंस्टीट्यूशन को R&D करना चाहिए. As I said, starting के 2 points मैंने शुरुआत में बोले थे that one has to be means अपने ट्रेडिशन, जैसे हमने SFS ग्रुप ऑफ स्कूल्स ने लास्ट 155 ईयर्स में अपने ट्रेडिशंस परंपराओं को बरकरार रखा है, पर अब हम चाहते हैं कि हम रेलिवेंट भी रहें. तो उसके लिए हम रिसर्च करते रहें, मनन चिंतन कर, विवेचन, डिसर्नमेंट. दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वन हैज़ टू डिसर्न. अगर डिसर्नमेंट एस्पेक्ट आप में रहा कोई भी इंस्टीट्यूशन में, तो वो इंस्टीट्यूशन हमेशा तरक्कियों की ऊंचाई पर जाएगा.
SFS group of institutions, since I've been a part of it, and it has a very holistic approach to the development, to the environment of education for the students, for the growth. So what makes SFS different from other institutions, if I ask?
I think this is really a very important question, the whole podcast.
Yeah.
Well, if you can remember, your motto of your school was Dare to be wise.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's rooted in you. Yeah, so what does it mean? It means that whatever challenges comes your way, one has to be ready for it. And you never know which direction, what way those challenges will be coming. And similarly, now in SFS School of Excellence also, we have a motto that is little different from Dare to be wise, but it's somewhat closer. Let your light shine. So it's a little upgraded version of Dare to be wise. वहाँ से यहाँ तक की journey वो भी है. So come what may, come whatever challenges, problem solving abilities has to be inculcated in a child, and that is what SFS Group of School stands out for. कि हमारे बच्चे कोई भी समस्या, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम के लिए हमेशा तैयार रहते हैं, हर challenges को face कर सकते हैं. So this is why Dare to be wise and let your light shine.
Feeling nostalgic a little bit after talking about Dare to be wise. Yes, since I have been a student, it was a state board, and now SFS School of Excellence is a platform, I would rather say, which is more connected to globally, internationally. You are providing international level education at Nagpur to all the classes present in Nagpur. So, how many international institutions, how many international platforms is SFS School of Excellence connected to?
Well, I mean, good to share all these things with you
Thank you.
right now. Yeah, there are so many platforms. In fact, in the city, very few know also about it. So it's
Yeah.
good that we, kind of share this through this platform. And SFS Group, SFS School of Excellence, the sister concern of SFS Sada, we have grown immensely in a very short span of time. बहुत सारे इंटरनेशनल बॉडीज़ और फोरम्स हैं जिनके साथ एस एफ एस स्कूल ऑफ एक्सलेंस अभी एसोसिएटेड है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन दिस सिटी आई थिंक वी आर अमंग one or two schools that are associated and affiliated to TISI, the Association of International Schools of India. And there's always a representation from the city from SFS School of Excellence, along with, I think, one school in the city. So this is a core competency. And along with this, Planet Fraternity, as I just spoke of,
Yes.
it's a very prestigious platform. So all over the world we are connected. So our students share classrooms with students of France,
Yeah.
students of Israel,
Israel, okay.
students of Sudan, so students of Gulf countries, and even in South Korea. So we have our classrooms are connected all over the world through these classrooms. So where we have exchange programs. Not only that, we have also done tremendously well. From last 2 consecutive years, SFS School of Excellence in the field of abacus, mental maths, which is very important and strongly recommended by the NEP. We are last 2 years consecutive champions in the world.
Okay.
So वियतनाम में हम थर्ड आए थे और हमने वो रैंक को अपना मेंटेन किया था. एंड इन मलेशिया ऑल्सो दिस ईयर वी वेंट एंड represented India. So it was an honor to represent your country, and that too as a School of Excellence.
Yes.
And just 10 years old school, and we represented our country in Malaysia. And then recently we were at Delhi. There was this World Championship of Robotics. So we won the World Cup in robotics.
Robotics World Cup. Okay.
And we defeated Russia. So that was
That's
so there are n number of and then of course we are also affiliated with ICSC. ICSC is a very flexible and applied knowledge board.
Okay.
And I think we are trying our best to ensure that class and that standard of ICSC is also maintained. And then we are also associated with a lot of, like, we have also tried for British English Council, so through which we are applying for RIDS, so recognition of international dimensions. So like this, there are many portals and platforms through which we are upgrading and standardizing and making international education accessible to all. तो ये हमारा एक मोटो है अभी तो फिलहाल.
That's great. As you said, let the light shine.
Let
Yeah.
the light shine, yeah.
Yes. So what are the recent innovative programs which you have inculcated in the school?
Well,
Would you like to share?
this is something really nice because in our school, NEP wants skill-based education. It should not be a rote learning. And as I said, it should be a celebration.
Yes.
तो ये जो सेलिब्रेशन की गरिमा है, इसको बरकरार रखने के लिए हमने ऐसा सिलेबस तैयार किया है कि SFS स्कूल ऑफ एक्सीलेंस से पढ़कर निकला हुआ बच्चा, there are 2 foreign languages he or she should know.
Okay.
One is Spanish and one is Japanese.
Okay.
Now you will say, why Spanish? Because Spanish is a highly spoken language all over the world.
Okay.
So that will kind of give a connectivity to other languages. Then we have also Japanese, because that's an opening to the East. So बच्चों को सिर्फ एक साइड, because there was a
Western
time
East, yeah.
they used to only focus on French, German.
German
and-
was,
yeah.
yes,
But
during our time,
now we have upgraded and we said, okay, there has to be an opening here, there has to be an opening there. So international dimensions की 2 openings, because वहाँ भी आजकल jobs available हैं.
available, yes.
So इसलिए we teach even Japanese. So हमारे बच्चे जब स्कूल से पढ़कर निकलते हैं तो other than mother tongue, other than a very good Queen's English, other than good local language Marathi, we also teach 2 foreign languages. So बच्चे 5 भाषाएं सीखकर हमारे स्कूल से निकलते हैं. Along with this, we have 15 international sports. अभी recently we were also champions in the archery. SJFC. So like that, there are various sports we are doing really well, and we were whether it is DSO, state level, skating, all over SFS School of Excellence in the sports also doing. So sports as well. Then we also teach curriculum का part है artificial intelligence, coding and robotics. So हमारा first standard का बच्चा भी coding करना जानता है. And he takes that. So we play based method. वहाँ हमने ECC early childhood care ये प्रोग्राम भी रखा हुआ है. सो लाइक दिस देर आर लॉट ऑफ अपग्रेडेड प्रोग्राम्स. सो जो जैसे ही बच्चा पढ़कर बाहर निकलता है, अदर देन हिज एकेडमिक ब्रिलियंस ऑफ द ICSE करिकुलम which is a standardized and upgraded version, the child is good in a foreign language, the child is good at sports, music, all the three instruments. One they have to select keyboard, guitar, drums and vocals, so they have to select. And then so their music, their creative side, their problem solving side, and also we have a tie up with Psych Tools. So this is a new way with which, you know, their emotionality also should be emotional crisis, you know, crisis management, all these things. So in totality, a holistic plan SFS School of Excellence provides to all the students.
That's great. Feels very different now. I'm also feeling like I should get an admission right now. I should have a different kind of development now. During our times, it was only two platforms: sports or extracurriculars or academics. That's it. But with so much of abundance of knowledge, with so much of abundance of various activities, extracurriculars, it feels nice. The time is changing, and the next generation who is to come is also 2 steps or 3 steps upgraded from us. It feels great. So now, as you said, the parents are also more monitoring the education. So, and parents also play a very vital role in the growth of children of a child. So how a school and a parent, they can collaborate in the growth of their child, of
It's
a student?
very simple and a very interesting question, because they have to team up. They cannot be two separate entities.
Yes.
So they have to team up and work for the welfare of the child. Child should be the motto, child should be the aim. The school's intention is to ensure that the child grows, and the parents' intention also should be the similar one. So if you work as a team, because in my school we do that. So parents have the freedom to text me anytime. If I'm available, I'll definitely answer, and I meet them. So the doors are also open, they can come anytime. And free flow communication. Yeah, so there has to be no barrier. It should be a circular communication. I mean, all of us are free to communicate with each other at any point of time. So because they are children, and problems are complex, and issues are, you know, very issues are different. So if we work as a team, and if we trust each other, and if we communicate, then definitely we work as a good team, and the student centric formation is catered to.
There is one question I would like to ask. What issues as an educator you face from parents today? If I would like to ask it bluntly to you.
एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है जो पेरेंट्स की तरफ से तो नहीं है, बट देन ऑफ कोर्स इट्स इज इन द चिल्ड्रन, एंड आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ अस एज एजुकेटर्स, इवन पेरेंट्स आर एजुकेटर्स, यू नो. सो सहन शक्ति, बच्चों में सहन शक्ति नहीं है. Earlier we could stand at the ground for a very long time, and things were different, and थोड़ा सा हम we could, you know, आजकल का ज़माना अलग है, बच्चे थोड़े से वीक है, इन ऑल डेलिकेट है. सो वो सहन शक्ति एलिमेंट बट ज़रूरी है, बिकॉज हाउ लॉन्ग आर वी गोइंग टू जर्नी विद देम. You know, we take always the example of a bird till the chick is ready to fly, they are with their chicks. Afterwards they leave them, no? So at some point of time they will be alone. वो danger है, उसको हमें ध्यान में रखना है. तो ये बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है कि ज़्यादा ओवर प्रोटेक्टिव पेरेंट्स ना बने. दे शुड बी रीजनली प्रोटेक्टिव. ओवर प्रोटेक्टिव एंड रीजनेबली प्रोटेक्टिव आर टू डिफरेंट थिंग्स. सो बिकॉज दे हैव टू लर्न सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट ऑल्सो. वो एक तरह से निगेट हो रहा है, एंड आई थिंक दैट शुड बी kept in mind by the parents. So just a word of caution to them.
Caution, yes. Previously, one or two kids used to fall during the assembly.
assembly. And that was
Now
not a
5 to
major
10
blunder
students, it's
because the next day you have parents coming in
Yes,
why he fell and all
Yeah,
that. Today we have dispensaries, we have nurses, we have nurses in our school,
Yes.
we have a tie up with the doctors. So at one, they are just one call away and they're there in the school if anything happens. So, and yet we have to allow them to bloom on their own.
definitely.
And that's
That's
what
very
a
necessary,
Gurukul system of education is all about.
Yes.
They just left students in the ashrams and they
Yes.
trusted the guru. I think वो गरिमा को हमें वापस रिस्टोर करना
करना
चाहिए.
जरूरी है
NEP
वो.
वही कर रही है.
And that is very necessary for the being मतलब रफ एंड टफ होना स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, वो उसके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी हो जाता है. ये बात तो आपने सही कही है. एनी एडवाइस यू वुड लाइक टू गिव टू ऑल द पेरेंट्स हु आर वाचिंग आवर पॉडकास्ट राइट नाउ?
I just gave one. All that I can say is that yes, education, learning has to be a celebration. और उसी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से चाहे आप हमारे स्कूल को सिलेक्ट करें या कोई भी स्कूल, एवरी स्कूल शुड बी अ सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ लर्निंग. वो एक रहना चाहिए. और दूसरा ये कि दैट जस्ट ट्रस्ट द एजुकेटर्स, trust all those who
Trust
are,
is very
and then
necessary.
team up. So these three things should be kept in mind: celebration, trust, and then
teaming up.
team up. Yeah.
Teaming up is very necessary. So lastly, as you have said that internationally काफ़ी ज़्यादा connected है. It has been at various forums. But talking about local community, how the school is engaged with local community to bring positive changes in the education system as well as in the environment as well as.
जैसा मैंने कहा, हमने अपनी परंपरा को नहीं छोड़ा है. तो with recent times we have collaborated with various prestigious institutions like Youth Bharti. It's a very strong forum. अभी वो लोग कुछ दिन में एक और this thing, if अगर वो सुन रहे हैं तो I am also promoting their event. They are having Change Makers Conclave and I am also invited there to be one of the speakers. So कैसे अलग अलग institutions ने हमारे city के लिए changes लाए हैं. So Youth Bharti is one of the very strong collaborators, local collaborators with SFA School of Excellence. उनका जो काम है बहुत उम्दा है, बहुत यूनिक है. उनके साथ मिलके हमने बहुत सारे पारंपरिक इवेंट्स किए हैं, बहुत कुछ ऑर्गेनाइज किया है, लाइक गरबा एंड ऑल, सो दैट चिल्ड्रन आर कनेक्टेड टू द कल्चर, you know. So like this, and then there are various NGOs that we work with. And then Rotary Club is also a very strong collaborator with us. So all the local, like the list is, and jo bhi with the local government, with the education department, all that is good locally for the kids. SFA School of Excellence is collaborating with.
So now talking about your experience and your journey in education and as a leader, what drives you to be a good educator, to be a good leader in this field?
Well, I can't say I'm a good educator, but I'm trying to be one. So this journey is immense and it is never ending. ये हमेशा चलते रहने वाली यात्रा है जो कभी समाप्त नहीं होती. और why am I taking the metaphor of a pilgrim, a यात्री, is because यात्रा तो चलते रहती है. और जैसे जैसे नए पड़ाव आते हैं, नई नई चीज़ें आती हैं, आपको अपने आप को वैसे वैसे ढालना होता है. सो आई फील ऑनर्ड कि मैं एक ऐसा यात्री हूँ जो ऐसी यात्रा है जो जिसका गंतव्य बहुत महान है. क्योंकि जब मैं वहाँ पहुँचूँगा तो मेरे साथ और भी बहुत सारे वो रहेंगे स्टूडेंट्स जिन्होंने जर्नी की है. लाइक सिंस आई एम अ यंग एजुकेटर, आई एम नॉट वेरी ओल्ड एंड येट नॉट वेरी यंग, सो एज आई सेड समवेयर इन द मिडिल. सो मेरे बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स ऑलरेडी IITians हैं, कुछ डॉक्टर्स हैं, एंड इवन दो सो दे से अरे आप इतने यंग हैं, मुझे हमेशा ये पूछा जाता है. बट देन येस, नॉट वेरी यंग, नॉट वेरी ओल्ड, समवेयर इन द मिडिल. एंड येट सो दैट स्पेशल कॉलिंग, एज दे से, बुलाहट है अंदर से. मुझे एक ड्राइव है कि येस आई हैव टू बी दिस, एंड दैट इज़ व्हाई आई चोज दिस लाइफ टू बी अ प्रीस्ट, वेर इन आई कैन एक्सक्लूसिवली, एक प्रीस्ट को तो सबको लेकर चलना है. तो अगर हो सकता, नॉट दैट दी अदर एजुकेटर्स डोंट डू दैट, बट ऑफ कोर्स दे हैव देयर फैमिलीज, बट हियर माई फैमिली इज माई इंस्टीट्यूशन, माई चिल्ड्रन, माई टीचर्स, माई पेरेंट्स एंड ऑल द बॉडीज दैट आई एम कोलैबोरेटिंग विद. सो वो एक एक्सक्लूसिविटी रह जाती है. तो ये सारी चीज़ें मुझे ड्राइव करती है. मेरा जो बुलाहट है, कॉल है, वो मुझे ड्राइव करता है कि मैं चलता ही जाऊँ. मुसाफिर हूँ, ना घर है ना ठिकाना, बस मुझे चलते जाना है.
That's amazing. बड़े ही अच्छा बॉलीवुड के गाने के साथ आपने कनेक्ट किया, दैट्स ग्रेट. एंड लास्टली आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क कि व्हाट्स योर आइडिया ऑफ अ गुड, ऑफ अ प्रॉपर established school in the future? What would you say?
As I said, now
What's
that
the
SFS
ideal school? Yes.
Yeah. So, of course, quoting once again the NEP, NCF, and also international dimensions, various international dimensions. So, wherever we go, they all talk about this, that these 4 quotients have to be there.
Yeah.
And then also, all these 4 quotients should also drive in children to have crisis management. That they on their own. और उनकी जो कोर कॉम्पिटेंसीज है, हर बच्चा यूनिक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, नाउ जस्ट टू कोट यू, सॉरी टू लाइक, यू आर इन अग्रवाल एंड मोस्टली दे आर, सो एक बन जाता है कि हाँ अग्रवाल मीन्स दे हैव टू बी इन बिजनेस और या, सो बट नॉट जस्ट दैट. तो बच्चे को मदद करना है उसकी कोर कॉम्पिटेंसी, लाइक हाउ यू आर हेल्प एंड नाउ यू आर इन टू अ क्रिएटिव सेटअप विच यू लाइक, which you love. Yeah. So like that. So education should help a child to build on that which he loves, personalize it, or he or she personalizes. So वही एजुकेशन का एम होना चाहिए, और हर एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन वही बच्चे से ड्राइव कराकर should bring to the fore.
That's great. That's great. And lastly, last question before we end our this podcast. What advice would you like to give to all the students who are watching, or all our SFS alumni, my batchmates, everyone's batchmates, and every student of our school who's watching this podcast? What message would you like to give to them?
Yeah, the same thing, motto, dare to be wise. Not otherwise, but wise. And at the same time, let your light shine. So these are the 2 prominent messages that I want to give to them. And at the same time, I want to call them and invite them that yes, not just SFS Sada, you also have your sister concern, SFS School of Excellence,
Yes.
for which you have to stand for, come to. We will also invite them for our various programs we'll be shortly having. Of course, we collaborate with SFS School Sada and all our SFS school entities. And yet, I want them to sort of stand for their institution, stand for the nation, and stand for themselves. So these 3 things they should stand for.
That's amazing. It has been a delightful experience with you, and a nostalgic experience as well, interviewing you, being a SFS alumni. Thank you so much, Reverend Dr. Lobo, for being with us in our UCN studio. And we would definitely learn a lot, and SFS School of Excellence is a sister of SFS St. Francis de Sales Sada. So definitely it has been a amazing experience with you, having you in our studio. I really don't have any words right now. I'm feeling awestruck, and right now I'm into my nostalgia. But still, thanks a lot. It has been a pleasure talking to you.
Well, thanks for having me here, and I'm really honored that UCN invited us to share our point of view from the education point of view and chose us SFS School of Excellence, and equally honored that an alumni of SFS School Sada, our student, is interviewing the principal.
It's been a pleasure.
So
It's been a
it's an
pleasure.
honor. Thank you so much, Ankit. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.